Enrich your English vocabulary. Man to man. Man to man. It means serious, private, and between two men. For example, I think I need to have a man to man talk with you about the problems. Cheat. Cheat. It means to behave in a dishonest way in order to get what you want. For example, he cheated in the test by copying from the boy in front. Cheating's second meaning is that to have a sexual relationship with someone who is not your husband or wife. For example, what would you do if you caught your partner cheating? Do or die. Do or die. It means to put forth the utmost energy and effort or else fail altogether. For example, this is a cutthroat business and you must do or die if you wish to survive. Day off. Day off. It means a day's holiday. For example, I have 2 extra days off next month. Nag. Nag. It means to annoy someone by continually telling or asking them to do something. For example, my wife keeps nagging me to stop drinking too much alcohol. Clumsy. Clumsy. It means describes a person who is always breaking or dropping things or falling over. For example, don't ask him round again, the clumsy fool broke 3 of my best plates. Imitate. Imitate. It means to behave in a similar way to someone or something else, or to copy the speech or behavior of someone or something. For example, my 4-year-old son is always trying to imitate his father. Rush hour. Rush hour. It means the time when the roads are full of traffic because people go or come back from home. For example, try to avoid rush hour traffic. Swap. Swap. It means to exchange. For example, can we swap calculators? I can't work out how to use this one. Hint. Hint. It means a piece of advice on how to do something. For example, I have no idea what I'm doing. I could do with a few handy hints. Up to. Up to. It means to have the choice responsibility to decide. For example, the decision is up to you. Drawback. Drawback. It means disadvantage, defect. For example, one of the drawbacks of working for a big company is you have to follow a lot of rules. To fool. To fool. It means to trick, deceive someone. For example, your lies will never fool me, I can see through everything you try on. Hectic. Hectic. It means very busy. For example, I've had an extremely hectic day in the office today.